You recording?
Yes.
So example, so we have 5x plus 4 equals 11, okay? And we learned, again, how many terms do we have here?
3.
We have 3 terms, someone says. Is that correct? Can someone verify with her? Does that sound right?
Yes.
There are 3 terms, the 5x, the 4, and the what?
11.
How many operators do we have?
1.
2. The plus and the equal sign is an operator, okay? So, we go to the same example. It's the middle of the room here is a wall, okay? There's apples on this side and bananas. Now, if I take the apple and I throw it over there, does the apple belong on the banana side? Yes or no? It doesn't, because they're not like. So you have to put all your like things on one side. So my apple has to stay on that side, so I throw it back over. So, 5x is called a what? Starts with a V. What? Variable, right? The number in front of x is called the what? Coefficient. Very good. So, if we keep all our apples on one side, which is the variable, and we have a banana here, which is the 4, and what else? The 11. What do we have to do with plus 4?
Throw it over the wall.
Throw it over the wall. So I put minus 4, and that cancels that out. Minus 4, and we're left with what? 5x equals what? 7. Divide both sides by 5, we're left with x equals what? 7/5. Oh, I can't have the same answer. How about that?
A lot of numbers.
That's crazy, right?
A lot
All
of
right. Let's try another example. How about 2x plus 10 equals 20? How many terms do we have there? 3, right? The 2x is a term, the 10 and the 20. Those are the things those are called terms. The things in between the operators. The operators are the plus and the what? Equal. So, ladies and gentlemen, what do we have to do? We have a variable, a number, and a number. Now, I'll do it like this. I'll say, okay, you always have to be in the form of square. Okay, I like doing this better. Square, because I can't draw banana or apple too well, so I put square equals triangle, okay? So all the squares on one side. So we'll represent this as a square. What is a 10? This represents numbers, okay? And this represents variables. Does that sound clear?
Yeah.
Okay. So the 10 represents a number, so it's a what? Triangle. And 10 is a triangle. Is that clear? So we always want square equal triangle. So what do we have to do with the plus 10? We have to what?
Put it over the wall.
Put it over the wall. Minus 10 on both sides. We're left with what? 2x equals 20 minus 10 equals 10. But we cannot have the x in front of it, right? It has to be x equals something. So we have to divide both sides by what?
2.
2. And you're left with now x equals 5 is the answer. If you don't believe me, plug in 5 here. 2 times 5 is 10. 10 plus 10 is 20. So you can actually plug in. Is that clear? That's 2 examples. Okay. You get it? You get it? We're going to do another example, okay? We're going to erase this. And if you don't have it, it'll be uploaded to the YouTube, okay? 6x minus 4 equals 20. How many terms do we have there again? 3 terms. The 6x, the 4, and the what?
20.
Is that clear? Okay. How many operators do we have?
2.
The minus and the what?
Equal.
Okay. So, it's an equal, sorry. Equal, okay. Alright. What do we do with tell me what to do. Help me out.
You have to bring the 4 over where
You have to bring the 4, but I always want to be with square equals what? Triangle. And if I want to do things, let's do a little thing. This is square, triangle, and triangle, right? So we're not with square equals triangle. So we do what? Plus
4.
Very good. And then plus 4, which we're left with what? 6x equals what?
24.
24. Are we done?
No.
We divide both sides by what? Come on.
6.
Sorry. Divide both sides by 6. And left with x equals
4.
4. Okay? Okay. Divide by 6. We're left with x equals 4. Is it clear? Just got to do examples. The more examples, the easier it gets. Okay? What are we at? Is this the 3rd example? The 4th? So 5. We're going to do another example. Okay. 12x plus 30 equals 38. And we have to be in the form of what? Triangle equals what?
Square equals triangle.
And the triangle represents the apple, and the square represents the apple, and the triangle represents the banana. Same concept. In the middle is a wall. The wall represents the equal sign. Yeah, all your apples on one side, or all your squares on one side, all your bananas on one side, or all your triangles. They cannot be on the same side. Okay, you gotta push them over. So, if we rewrite this here, triangle, square, and triangle, square, and messed up.
Square, triangle.
Square and triangle, yes. Sorry. Thank you. So we got square, triangle, and triangle. We still have to be in the form of square equals triangle. So what do we do, guys? Which one's the coefficient? One number.
12.
12x is 12 is the coefficient. 12x is called the what? Variable. Okay. The 30 is the number, and 30 is the number. How many terms do we have again?
3.
3 terms. Real simple. 1 term, 2 terms, and 3 terms. If you don't understand what terms are, every time something's in between the plus, the minus, division, or equal sign, those are called terms. Okay. So what do we do with the plus 30? We need to throw it over, right? So we got to get rid of those triangles or bananas. We do what?
Subtract.
Minus 30 on both sides, and we're left with what? 12x equals 8. Okay.